Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to edit shortcut on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to edit shortcut on Snapchat allows you to customize your Snapchat experience and tailor it to your preferences. And also, by editing shortcut, you can rearrange or update your list of favorite friends to better suit your current needs or communication habits. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, so now please enter two chat tabs on this app. After that, tap new option here and then you can click your existing shortcut. Okay, so now you can edit the participant on this shortcut. Well, after finishing and then click save. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to edit shortcut on Snapchat app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.